Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I'm going to show you how you can auto rotate the actual home screen. Okay, this is different from the actual auto rotate that you have up here. If you click on that right there, you can rotate like apps and whatnot, but you're not able to rotate your actual home screen. Okay, so to be able to rotate your home screen, you have to go into your settings here. So click on the gear icon. And then from here, you want to go ahead and you want to scroll down and you want to go to display here. And then you want to tap on home screen right here. And then if you scroll down, it says rotate to landscape mode. So I currently have it on. Okay, so I can go ahead and rotate it like that. If I turn it off, I have auto rotate on, but it's not going to rotate this, nor is it going to rotate my screen. Okay. So again, if I go ahead and go back into the settings, then go to display, and then go to home screen, and I'll go ahead and I like to have mine on. So again, the home screen and whatnot, settings and everything will be able to rotate, as you can see there. Pretty simple. Any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.